Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup. To do so, we need to click on this uh, lightning bolt icon. We go to setup and after that, we need to search for security or we can simply go to the quick find box and type uh, identity. So from there, we will need just to go to the identity verification and we'll click on it. And after that, we will find some verification methods. So either you can let Salesforce Authenticator automatically verifies the identity using geolocation and many other settings from here. But what we are interested in is multi-factor authentication. So here we will find this section, and after that, we will need to require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI logins to Salesforce. So from here, you will need to require MFA to log in into your organization. So here we are just going to enable it, and basically after that, we can just log out and log in to see. Let's just log out. And after that, I will need just to log in. And for example, I'm just going to use this one and from here. And after that, as you can see, it will require me to add my authentication. And basically, for if it's the first time you enable it, they will give you where you can set up your authenticator. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.